This is a room tour on Icon of the Seas. We are in a grand suite, a one-bedroom grand suite. We are in room 17010. So as you come into the room, kind of get an overview here before we start the full tour. All right, let's start the detailed tour. The muster station for this room is B4. It's on deck 5 in the Royal Theater, so it's really easy when you board just to go right there and take care of your muster drill on B4. And again, we're in cabin 17010, and it's a grand suite, one bedroom on Icon of the Seas. So as you come into the room, on the left is the bathroom, and then on the right we have all of this storage. So let's start in the bathroom today. So as you come into the bathroom, it's a beautiful bathroom. Let's just get a quick overview. All right, so as you come in, there's a full shower, and it's got the adjustable shower head, right? And there is a shelf in here for your shampoo and things. A nice ledge back there on the edge of the bathtub. And we do have the Malin and Goetz amenities. And then this door does slide back and forth, which is nice that there's a sliding door here for the shower. All right, so that's the shower. It looks like there's two knobs probably to turn the shower on, and then the hot and cold. All right, and then there's the toilet and rods with all of the towels. And over here, there's two nice shelves, and there's a little amenity kit here that has like Q-tips, makeup remover wipes, and a fingernail file and a shower cap. So that's kind of nice. And then down here is the trash. And then over this way we have two sinks and a nice big mirror. And there are two shelves on each side of the sink. And then down here, lots of storage. So each sink has two drawers underneath it. And then underneath that is another big storage area here in the bathroom. So there's a lot of storage here in the bathroom. And nice lighting around the mirror. It's like the lighting is built into the mirror. So that's a unique feature of the lighting here in the mirror. All right. So as we come out of the bathroom, on the right side of the room, as you walk in the door, so let me give you a perspective here. So there's the door that we came in through. Back here we have the little coffee station. And above the coffee station is the safe. It's a smaller safe, smaller than what we've seen on some ships. This is really billfold, passports. It's about all you're going to get in that safe. And then there's a shelf up above that. And then underneath here, there's a little shelf that pulls, a drawer that pulls out. We've got a room service menu. And then under here is the refrigerator. It's a little bit smaller than the refrigerators we've seen on some other ships, but it's going to get the job done. And then standard Lavazza coffee maker with the Lavazza pods. You've got the cafe crema and the decaf. And then they've got a creamer that they provide. Okay, next to that, we have a nice big closet. This one is a full-length closet. There's a shelf up above. There's a full-length closet with your Royal Caribbean robes. And these look like it's the style with the hood on the robe. So those are great for just relaxing around your room. Next to the closet, there is this shelving unit that's got 5 shelves in it. Just nice, lot of storage. And next to that, there's a bar area. This is great for if you order room service. You know, they can bring it in and set it here on this counter, right? Just a nice area. There's some little shelves up above it. We've got our ice bucket, and then underneath this bar area is more storage, and it goes all the way back in there. So that's really nice. It runs the full length of this bar area here. They've got these yellow accents with the lighting around the mirror. And then in here, in this desk area, there's more shelving units, and then there's a couple drawers. There's 3 just basic drawers here. And then in this vanity area is where you find the hair dryer. So this is pretty standard Royal Caribbean hair dryer these days. This is not one of the ones where you have to hold the button. You just do the switch up or down. And there is also a little magnifying mirror in this desk area. And back behind here, we have some of the plugs that are in the room. So you've got your standard 120 volt plug, you've got a European plug, and then a USB and a USB-C port here at the desk or vanity area. And then also right here is a full-length mirror. So really nice full-length mirror here. As we move on over to the bedroom area, this is an overview of the bed. It's a little bit different layout because the bed looks out towards the balcony. And on each side of the bed, there is a bedside table with a lamp. And on each side, you can see here we have a USB, a USB-C, and a European plug on this side. The one thing, there is a little wall over here on the other side of the bed, and this is a little bit of a tight squeeze. If you get up in the middle of the night, you got to navigate this gap where this little wall is that houses the curtain. And then on this side of the bed, again, there's a bedside table, and on this side there is a regular, an American plug, and a USB and a USB-C. And also in these nightstands, there is a little drawer and a little storage space underneath there. But this is this wall, and there is a curtain here that comes out. So the curtain, you can separate the bedroom from the little sofa bed that's out here. And it can also block the light in the mornings. But this little wall by the bed and this narrow passageway between the bed and that little wall is going to be a little bit of a challenge. So that's the bedroom, and then we move into more of the living room area. So on this side, there is a sofa, and it does look like it pulls out into like a little sofa bed. And it looks like back here there's some more plugs. So by this sofa bed, there is American plugs, European plugs, and again a USB and a USB-C. So lots of plugs in this room. So we have the sofa bed, we have the chair, we have like a little footstool or chair, and another little table. And then we move into this other desk and vanity area. Over to the side, we have another closet. So this is another nice big closet. There's a shelf up on the top, then room for hanging things, and a shelf in the bottom. And then we have several just basic drawers. So 3 drawers on the side, 1 drawer in the middle, a nice little seat there so you can sit at this little vanity or desk area. And again, more plugs, lots of plugs in this room. So here we've got another American, European, USB and USB-C plugs. And so lots of plugs in this room. And before we go out to the balcony, I wanted to show the light controls for the room. So by the bathroom, there is this panel for the lights. You've got your air conditioning controls and then the light controls. So in the evening you can push that and it dims down all the lights. And then in the morning you push that and it turns all the lights back on. So it's just some really nice controls for the air conditioning and the lighting in the room. We are on the Icon of the Seas, so we are in the Port of Miami. And we will head out onto this balcony. It's a beautiful day here in the Port of Miami. So on the balcony, a beautiful view. We are on the 17th deck of this ship, so we're way up high. And on one side of this balcony, we have the small table and chairs. And then on the other side, we have like a little lounger with another little table. Just a really beautiful balcony out here. So we'll step back and give like an overview of the balcony. Just really nice. And again, we're in the Port of Miami. It's a beautiful day.